Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how parental stress affects children. Research have been conducted to examine ways in which parental stress can be transferred from a parent to a child. Studies have shown that children can inherit even the effect of stress which the mother was exposed to long before even conception. And all this happens through her DNA. This is quite alarming to know. Experiments were conducted on female rats, and it was found that stressed female rats showed an expression of a particular protein which triggered the release of certain hormones related to stress and anxiety. In turn, this increased stress and anxiety in these female rats and her offsprings. This behavior of stress was passed on to her offsprings epigenetically, and this had nothing to do with the quality of parenting in the later stages. This stress protein was found highly concentrated in the eggs of these previously stressed female rats long before even they got pregnant, thus showing that all these stress proteins were being transferred from one generation to another through the soft information wired in these eggs. Stress can be transmitted from parent to child also as emphatic stress. Studies have shown just by merely observing a person in a stressful situation, it can trigger a physical stress response in you. Also, it is found if you are with a person who is highly stressed out, their stress becomes yours. Not only emotionally but biologically as well, because your cortisol level rises along with theirs, and cortisol is one of the stress hormones. Babies can also pick up stress from parental arguments and bickering, not only when they are fully awake but also when they are sleeping. This was confirmed during an extensive research done at University of California using fMRI brain scans done on babies who were sleeping and their parents were arguing or fighting. The babies were showing response of stress in the brain during this activity. Infants can as well absorb stress through what is called as contagious emotions. Extensive research done at University of California showed that infants and babies are highly attuned to the energy and vibration and emotional state of the caregivers and mothers, long before even they can express them verbally or inquire about others' stress level. They can pick up the emotional state of the caregiver or the mother just by picking up the signals such as the heart rate, the vocal tension, the facial expressions, and not so very evident cues seen through physical eyes. So in order to raise more happy, healthy and peaceful kids, it's very important that parents are mindful of their own emotional state and they do not accidentally raise more of stressed and anxious kids. I hope this helps and we have more peaceful people around. Stay happy and healthy. Thank you.